Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to yellow your midsoles. You heard that right.
How to yellow your midsoles.
If you guys have been watching this channel for a while, you know that I came up from restoring sneakers, and I taught a lot of you guys how to unyellow your midsoles, but as you guys probably already know, that vintage look is super popular nowadays. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best way to give your shoes that vintage look, so let's get right to it. Starting off with the materials list, for the base shoe of this project, I'm gonna be using this pair of Air Force Ones that I was recently gifted. I think this is a cool colorway, but I thought that this would be probably the best contestant to do a yellow midsole custom on. Now keep in mind, if your shoes are brand new, you're good to go, but if you guys have used shoes, make sure you clean up your midsoles with your favorite sneaker cleaner. And if you guys would like to support the channel, I do have my own sneaker cleaner on my website, which will be linked down below, and you can also use the code YouTube to save some money. All right, I got you. Whenever you guys are doing a custom, you need to make sure that your surface you're working with is clean. The next important thing that we're gonna need is this marker right here. This is from the homie Josh Got Customs. He's one of the first people I've seen to make one of these. So I hit him up and ordered a bunch of these pens. So you guys will be able to find his pens on my website, which will be linked down below as well. The last thing we're gonna use for this custom is optional, but if you guys aren't steady with your hands, I would highly recommend this red masking tape. This is from Angelus Direct. That will also be linked down below in the description with a discount code for any of your custom needs. But without any further ado, let's get right to it. When you first receive this pen, it's gonna come shrink wrapped, so obviously you need to remove that. We gotta do the Mariah Carey on them real quick. Let's shake it up. Okay, now that the juices are flowing, we gotta make sure everything is nice on the tip.
Daddy, chill.
Get a scrap piece of paper right here and just start pressing it down. Press it down. As you press it down, you may notice some start to come out. So right there. What we highly recommend doing is just do a couple passes like this so you get an idea of how everything is. So we got a nice flow on here and you're pretty much ready to go. The rest is self-explanatory. You're just gonna do nice long strokes and even strokes and it'll look super clean. You don't wanna overdo it. You don't wanna press hard when you do it. Everything is all masked up and we are good to go. Like I said, this is optional, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to mask it up. If you have certain curves and certain areas that you need to get around, do smaller pieces. But if you have a long piece right here on a flat surface, you should be all right. That took about maybe, what, a couple minutes. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start doing our nice long swipes. I know it's gonna be a little bit hard to do it evenly, but we're gonna try our best. Here goes nothing. Let's start off with this top part right here. Ooh, look at that. Yo, on the stitching, it kind of looks saucy like that. There we go. And we're just gonna continue this. All right, everybody, and just like that, we're pretty much done with the midsole. So what we're gonna do now is just remove this tape so I can show you guys how the shoes look. I'm also gonna show you guys how everything looks on leather, because you can do the leather if you like. So everything right now looks like this. I feel like doing the leather just because this shoe right here already has this vintage vibe. It's giving off the vintage vibe with the tongue, and it also has a bunch of white leather. So I figured, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just make this all nice and creamy. And let's say this is a little bit too much for you guys, right? If you want to lighten it a little bit, what you could do is hit it with some rubbing alcohol and it will lighten everything up. Just like we did for the midsoles, we're gonna do the same thing for the uppers. And just to show you guys it works on a bunch of materials, I'm gonna do the tongue as well. I know this is gonna trigger a lot of you guys, but this is all for experimental purposes only, okay? I just wanna show you guys, you see that? Boom. You wanna make your tongues look vintage? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright you guys, here is how the sneakers look. They definitely do not look brand new anymore. They look like they've been aged. And like I said, if you guys do not like how this looks and you think it might look a little clumpy in some areas, you could always hit it with a little bit of alcohol and that will lighten it up, and you could also do it again. Alright you guys, that's gonna wrap up this quick and easy tutorial video on how to make your sneakers look vintage, or how to yellow your sneakers. I know this custom isn't for everyone, but if you guys want to do certain customs, you know, for Air Jordan 1s, I've seen so many cool variations, and like I said, this was just a tester pair to show you guys the difference. All right, I got these Air Forces for free, so I was like, yo, let's just put these things to work. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and if you guys are interested in winning a free pen, I'll be picking 3 winners from the comment section. All you gotta do is comment vintage and leave your Instagram down below. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you're notified when I post the winners. And maybe give me an idea of what you guys are customizing down below as well. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already with those post notifications on, and I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.